RIRI wandikithia wa arutwo a grade 10 uthiete na mbere na kunyita thinga guothe bururi-ini. Thukuru nyingi ciugite mihang'o ino ni ikinyaniire, riu arutwo aya magitanywo kwanjiriria mathomo mao rungu rwa mutaratara wa CBE.
Yeah, CBC, now this is the first cohort of junior school going to senior school. Indeed, we have seen a lot of changes in terms of children getting the independence, getting the skills to do their own things. And being here, I really feel that it's just going to unlock their and stretch them to their beyond their limits and unlock their capacity.
Thukuru-ini wa Merisho kaunti-ini ya Kajiado ni umwe wa thukuru iria ciikirire wandikithia wa arutwo aya. Urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu kiuga arutwo 420 a grade 10 niyo magukorwo makiandikithio.
We can confirm beyond reasonable doubt that looking closely at the KJCR results that they got, you realize that it placed every learner in where they can do better in terms of how they performed and what they can do as advised with the pathway.
Paul Manza uria niwe munini wa murutani munene guku akiuga ni meharirie gutereba mathomo ma CBE kuona ni marikitie gwaka irathi cia kuigana, labu, workshop na iharo cia mathako matiganite kuringana na mendekithia ma mutaratara uyu mweru.
Today we had a very successful admission of grade 10. And I think one of the reasons why the parents have confidence in this school is because we are very, very equipped for the grade 10 or basically the senior school. Of course, we have a very well-equipped laboratories. We have 6 of them with Faraday chambers.
Anyititemi matiganite hamwe na ACIARI matugiritie mihang'o ino kuona ndiri na wagagu. Oho makiuga mathomo mutaratara-ini wa CBE ni mekwandandura mwicirie wa arutwo na maharirie wega kwirugamia mawira-ini miaka yukite.
A tripartite pathway school, what we call a triple pathway senior school, where we are offering arts and sports, we are offering STEM.
Anyititemi matiganite hamwe na ACIARI matugiritie mihang'o ino kuona ndiri na wagagu. Oho makiuga mathomo mutaratara-ini wa CBE ni mekwandandura mwiciririe wa arutwo na mamaharirie wega kwirugamirira mawira-ini miaka yukite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wambui wa Ndirangu.